Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email in 2025. So this tutorial is going to be very fast and very efficient for beginners. So if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, let me know you what an email is. So if I open my search engine and search for what is an email, you will see an answer like this. An email or electronic mail is a digital method of communication where messages are sent and received over a computer network, primarily the internet. So it is necessary to have an email address in 2025. And in this video, I'll guide you how to do that. So first of all, you have to update your Gmail app on your phone. So as I am using an Android phone right now, so I'm going to the Play Store and then I'm going to search here Gmail. And then you will see an app like this. So normally you have to update it. Here you can see that I already have updated this app. So I'm not going to do it again. So after then open this app. After opening the Gmail app, normally click on your profile icon on the top right corner. And here you will see all of the available email on your phone. If you can't see any kind of email address on your phone, then this is the first time for creating an email account for you. So let's see how we can create our first email address. Normally click on add another account. And then here you will see all of the most popular email address lists. So the first one is Google, the second one is Outlook, Hotmail, and Live, and the third one is Yahoo and others. So if you want to create a Google Mail, then choose Google. On the other hand, if you want to create an email using Microsoft services, then you can choose this one. On the other hand, if you want to choose the email service from Yahoo, then you can choose this one. As I want to create my email address with the services of Google, so I'm choosing this one. So click on it and then provide your password or fingerprint on your phone. And then normally click on this create account button and choose for my personal use. Now you have to provide your name here. Give your first name here and last name. So I'm giving the first name here Shohag Hassan. And then click on this next button. And now you have to choose your gender and give your birthday. So I'm entering my birth date here. So I'm choosing my month, year, and day. And choosing gender too. And clicking on this next button. And here you have to choose your username. For example, if you choose an username as shohag3251@gmail.com, this is going to be your exact email address. So I'm going to choose an email address here. This Shohag Mr. TechFox. So if it's available, you can choose this username. If it's not, then you will not be able to take it. So here you can see that it's available. So I'm clicking on this next button. And now you have to provide a strong password. Make sure that your password is a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols. So I'm entering a strong password here. And after entering the password, click on this next button. And that's it. Now you have to review your account info and click on this next button. And if you scroll down a bit and click on this I agree button, then your email address is going to be created. So if we click again on this profile icon and scroll down a bit, you will see your new email address on the last side of the screen. So here is our new email address. If I click on this profile, here you can see that the email address is shohagmrtechfox@gmail.com. And now if you want to add a recovery method on your email address, normally click on this manage your Google account and then choose add recovery phone. And Google may ask from you the password again to verify your identity. So normally give your identity by giving the fingerprint or password. And then enter your phone number here. And after entering the phone number, they are going to send an OTP on your number. Enter the OTP and verify your number. And after that, your Gmail account will be ready to use. So now we know how to create an email using Google services. Now I'll show you how to create Microsoft or other email accounts. So click again on this add another account. And from here, if you want to create Microsoft email, then choose this one. And similarly choose create an account and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account completely. Similarly for Yahoo, click again on this create an account and follow the on-screen instructions. So that's all about today's video, how you can create your email address in 2025. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.